Okay, see the lace. You see the lace? Let me drop it. The lace has disappeared. You see the lace has disappeared. Ooh.
Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam bam bam, but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want. Wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make you.
It's been a while I review wig from Lwigs. You know, back in the days I used to review their wig all the time. When I mean all the time, I review their wigs all the time. But it has been a while, so I got this wig, yes, from them that I want to review with you guys. So the wig I want to review today, it is 11 by 6 real scalp melted HD lace front glueless wig. It is realistic hairline. The hairline is realistic and it's ombre brown color. 11 by 6 real skin melted HD lace wig. It is glueless. Okay, it's here. So let's unbox it. This is it. You can see the color is ombre brown color, and in here there are some goodies that came with it. There is a edge brush, a card. Oh, what's this? I don't know. We're going to figure it out. And a comb. I still have some other things that came with it, and I have a hair clip. So all this came with the wig. I'm curious. I want to see what this is. All these are gifts from Lwigs. They are hair clips, okay? They are so cute. Lwigs, thank you so much. I appreciate this. A comb came with it also. There's lace tape. Maybe you guys must have seen this. You just tape it to your hairline, then you wear the wig. It will hold the wigs firmly to your scalp instead of using the glue HD wig cap. So you buy this wig or any wig from Lwigs. If you upload the video, you're going to get $100, up to $100. Okay, yeah, that's cool. A paper that came with it. And yeah, let's remove this net. 220 density. Let me show you guys. This is it. How gorgeous it is. Coily, you see. Ah, wow. And see the hairline. You can see this, so beautiful. And see the lace. The lace is HD lace. This lace will melt on your skin, and it is glueless. I love it. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. This is the texture is so lovely, and the color, wow, the color is just worth dying for this season, this period. Wow, I really love this color. You just have to leave it natural this way. I think that's when they will see the beauty of the hair. So the construction of the inside is like this. You guys can see. Okay, they double this. Oh wow, you can see this. They double this. Wow, and it's stretchy. This is stretchy, and there is a detachable adjustable strap and combs. That's the only thing. Detachable adjustable strap and a comb. That is it. It's so lovely. I love it. I love it. The link to it will be on the description box. The link to their website will also be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. If it's not just this wig, they have so many wigs there. You can just check their page, and you're going to their website. You're going to see so many beautiful wigs. And this is 220 density. The knot of the lace is bleached. Perfect. The lace has disappeared. You see, the lace has disappeared. Ooh. Okay, see the lace. You see the lace. Let me drop it. By the time I drop it, you no longer see it. You see that? See the front. Okay guys, I have cut my part. It is realistic. It is real skin melted. You guys can see real skin. You can see that. Okay, you see. Let me raise it up. See, I did not glue it down, and it's so beautiful.
Then you catch you on the flip side. Catch you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first. Checking every bar in town, all the sleepless